In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a mission statement to a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Facebook account. From there, switch over to your Facebook business page so you are managing the correct page for your business. Once you are on the right account view, open your Facebook business page and go to the main page screen. Next, scroll down until you find the About section. This area contains the basic details and public information for your business page. In the menu on the left side, click Intro. This will take you to the section where you can update the short profile details that appear on your page. Under the Bio section, look for the Edit icon, which appears as a small pencil. Click that icon to begin making changes. In the Bio field, enter your mission statement. This should be a short and clear message that explains your business purpose, what your brand stands for. Make sure it reflects your business clearly and professionally. Your wording should match your brand voice and give visitors a simple understanding of your values and goals. If needed, make small edits so the statement is easy to read and easy to understand. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. Facebook will then update the Bio section on your business page with the new mission statement. After saving, return to the About section of your Facebook business page. Then check the Bio section to confirm that your mission statement now appears correctly. This final review helps make sure the update was successful and that visitors will see the message exactly as you intended. Adding a mission statement to your Facebook business page is a simple way to make your brand identity clearer and more visible. It helps people quickly understand what your business believes in and what it aims to achieve. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.